Elevate your backyard cooking experience with durable and high-performance grilling equipment built for versatility. The best outdoor flat-top grill options deliver even heat distribution, spacious cooking surfaces, and easy cleanup, perfect for searing, sautéing, and creating delicious meals for family gatherings or outdoor parties. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Blackstone Top Grill. The Blackstone Top Grill delivers a true restaurant-style cooking experience right in your backyard. With 470 square inches of flat-top grilling space, it's perfect for making everything from eggs and pancakes to steaks, potatoes, and even teppanyaki-style dishes. This versatile griddle makes it easy to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner for family and friends. The addition of a bottom shelf and 2 side shelves provides ample space for food prep and storage, making outdoor cooking more organized. What makes this grill a favorite among users is its simplicity and ease of use. Forget about the mess and fuss of charcoal or kerosene. The battery-powered push-button ignition starts your grill instantly with no hassle. Built with convenience in mind, the Blackstone Top Grill is also highly portable. Thanks to its removable griddle top, foldable legs, and 4 industrial-strength caster wheels, it can be moved effortlessly from your backyard to a campsite or park. The sturdy build ensures stability while cooking, and its design makes transport and storage a breeze. Backed by a satisfaction guarantee from Blackstone, this grill reflects the company's strong reputation in outdoor cooking equipment. Durable, easy to use, and built for real outdoor chefs, the Blackstone Top Grill offers exceptional performance and reliability, ensuring every meal is cooked to perfection wherever you take it. Number 2. Gas One Camping Top Grill. The Gas One Camping Top Grill is the ideal choice for anyone who loves outdoor cooking, whether it's for camping trips, tailgating, or family barbecues. Designed for convenience and portability, this tabletop grill delivers professional-level performance wherever you go. Built with a combination of high-grade stainless steel and a pre-seasoned griddle, it ensures even heat distribution, superior durability, and easy cleaning. The auto-ignition feature allows you to start cooking instantly without the need for matches or lighters. Complete with a propane regulator, hose assembly, and griddle, installation is quick and effortless. One of its standout features is the practical drip tray that captures grease and food residue, keeping your cooking area tidy and saving you hours of scrubbing. Compact yet powerful, this grill offers excellent heat control for cooking meats, eggs, and vegetables with consistent results. Its portability makes it perfect for camping, RVs, picnics, or backyard cooking, allowing you to prepare delicious meals wherever your adventures take you. Built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, the Gas One Camping Top Grill offers an unbeatable mix of power, convenience, and simplicity, giving outdoor enthusiasts a dependable solution for grilling on the go. Number 3. Royal Gourmet Top Grill. The Royal Gourmet Top Grill stands out for its flexibility and power, designed to deliver a professional cooking experience anywhere outdoors. Featuring a unique freestanding cart-to-tabletop design, it can easily switch between being a stationary grill and a portable tabletop unit. The durable black hood not only protects the cooking surface when not in use, but also acts as a wind deflector while cooking. With a 389 square-inch sanding steel cooking surface and 4 stainless steel burners that generate a combined 34,000 BTU, it ensures even heat distribution for perfectly grilled meals every time. The side shelves provide convenient space for meal prep and storage, complete with hooks for hanging utensils and tools. Designed for effortless movement and stability, the grill includes 2 strong wheels and solid support legs, making relocation simple while keeping it steady during cooking. Whether you're hosting a backyard cookout or taking it on a camping trip, the Royal Gourmet Top Grill guarantees versatility, efficiency, and durability. With its combination of solid build quality and user-friendly features, this grill delivers consistent results and convenience for all your outdoor cooking needs. Number 4. Gas One Stainless Top Grill. The Gas One Stainless Top Grill is a remarkable outdoor cooking companion designed for those who value performance, convenience, and versatility. Perfect for backyard barbecues, camping trips, picnics, or RV adventures, this grill ensures that your favorite meals can be prepared anywhere with ease. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it not only offers a sleek and durable appearance, but also resists rust and wear even after long-term use in outdoor environments. One of its standout features is the innovative H-pipe burner head, which delivers even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface. This ensures that every dish, from juicy steaks to grilled vegetables, is cooked perfectly without cold spots or burnt edges. The grill includes 4 burners that provide consistent power and heat control, allowing you to cook multiple items simultaneously with precision. The heavy-duty cart also provides stability while cooking, ensuring safety during use. Cleaning up after a cookout is simple thanks to the built-in drip tray that catches grease and food residue, keeping your workspace tidy and minimizing cleanup time. The pre-seasoned griddle type enhances the flavor of your meals while preventing food from sticking, and it can be easily wiped clean after use. Ease of operation is another strong point, with the intelligent auto-ignition feature that lights up the burners quickly and safely. No matches or lighters needed. Number 5. BESTFIRE Foldable Top Grill. The BESTFIRE Foldable Top Grill is a durable and convenient outdoor cooking solution designed for both beginners and experienced grillers. With its premium stainless steel grill pan offering an impressive 625 square inches of cooking space, it provides ample room for preparing multiple dishes at once. The 3 stainless steel burners with integrated piezo ignition ensure a quick, battery-free startup and efficient, even heat distribution. This grill's folding craftsmanship makes it especially portable. Its foldable countertops and heavy-duty casters allow easy movement and compact storage, making it ideal for patios, balconies, and camping trips. The push-pull grease tray simplifies cleanup, while the stainless steel fire tamer helps maintain consistent temperature control and insulation during cooking. Built for long-lasting performance, this grill is both strong and stylish, resisting corrosion and wear from outdoor use. The manufacturer also recommends regular maintenance by lightly oiling the cooking surface after use to keep it in prime condition. Overall, the BESTFIRE Foldable Top Grill delivers reliability, versatility, and ease of use in one package, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enjoy outdoor cooking with minimal hassle and maximum results. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.